So we're seeing the continuing trend with Jamaica's top local-based footballers heading off to the United States Soccer League and now the Canadian Premier League. The very lucky few might get into the MLS or into Central America or the lower leagues of Europe, outside of a few like Leon Bailey and an emerging Shamar Nicholson. But by and large, our top young ballers are not breaking into the elite leagues of Europe. And we know players from every corner of the globe fighting for that professional break. So it's very competitive. But still, I feel we could have done more. I feel this generation of players have subconsciously resigned themselves to this level of football. And this is not just a mental resignation. They're not getting themselves physically up to the level where they can push for these bigger leagues in Europe. It's like the ball of them in a comfort zone and don't want to come out. In fact, quite a few of these players that went to these lower league clubs can't even hold on to them contract. They're unable to cope with the ups and downs of professional football and end up right back here in Jamaica. What the young Jamaican players need to know is that there is no shortcut around the work. You cannot go around the work. Your career is not like mine. You're a football player. You cannot go around the work like when you see the Maverick. Don't talk and I'll just go around the camera now. You can't go.